Hail Caesar, Emperor of Rome, monarch of the Roman Empire, ruler of the world.
Ah, Rome, the eternal city. Hello folks, this is Dante, your tour guide here in Italy, from VAFELTRE Tours. Welcome to Rome. Full of history, so alive, so exciting, where it feels like everyone knows your name. In this case, they know your name by now because they already stole your wallet and your passport. So lesson number 1, keep your wallet in the front pocket. One of the best reasons to visit Rome is that it's small enough that you can easily walk around and see a lot of things in just one day, but big enough that you can always find a park, a bar, or a nice piazza to simply relax and enjoy la dolce vita. A city built on over 2 millennia of history and culture, Rome is one of the world's top tourism destinations. You will see countless works of art, learn about the impressive architecture and history, and the food. We all know that Italian food is one of the most popular cuisines in the world, and every region has its own specialty. You'll probably see the same 3 dishes at the top of every menu in Rome, and there's a reason why. They're delicious. Cacio e pepe, carbonara, and la matriciana, which are all delicious in their own right, and you should try them. But Rome has evolved to so much more than just the trinity of pasta, so I encourage you to try different dishes too. Religious or not, the Vatican is on many people's must-see when exploring Rome. The Vatican Museums, the Sistine Chapel, and St. Peter's Basilica are just some of the highlights that can be visited in this unique place. Please remember to book your tickets to the Vatican way before you arrive Italy. Alright folks, this is enough for Rome. Now we go to our next city. Remember to look at the description for much more information. Ah, Florence, the beautiful city of Florence. I never knew something other than my wife could give me a migraine. Don't get me wrong, it's a good migraine. This city is just overwhelming in everything you could have imagined. A wonderland of art and architecture, all fueled by the Tuscan food and good wine. Florence makes art lovers' heartbeat go beep. Fans of the Renaissance art will go by touring the Galleria dell'Accademia or the Uffizi museums, both bursting with works of Michelangelo. Florence is one of the most beautiful cities in the world, where even the gardens, the monuments, the buildings, and even the streets are, in many cases, actual masterpieces. Walking down the streets of Florence is like walking through the halls of a big open-air museum. However, even if the outdoors have so much to offer, don't forget that Florence is home to some of the most important indoor museums in the world. The Uffizi, for example, is famous around the globe. Botticelli's Primavera alone is just worth the visit. And the Galleria dell'Accademia has a wonderful gallery of statues. Of course, the most famous inside, the most celebrated David. Remember, Florence city center is listed as World Heritage by UNESCO. So don't ask a Florentine citizen how far is Tuscany from Florence, because Florence is Tuscany in the world. And our last city today, Venezia, the Republic of Venice. Ah, Venice. One of the most romantic, beautiful destinations in the world, also called the Floating City. Venice is located in the northeastern part of the country. It is an archipelago of 118 islands, all connected by hundreds of beautiful bridges and scenic canals. Of all the canals, the Grand Canal is the most famous, and it divides the city into two sections. The historic architecture, the charming waterways make Venice one of the most romantic cities. Yes, that's with an romantic cities in the world. For travelers who have visited Venice and for those who have yet to go, Venice remains a beautiful mystery. It seems impossible for such a grand city to be floating in a lagoon of water, reeds and marshland. This is a place you must see to believe. Here's a lady who wants to jump out in the water because she just paid €8 for a cappuccino in Piazza San Marco. She must be going... Anyways, don't do this. Let me just fly illegally my drone in Venice. I'm close to an airport. I'm sure I'm gonna get a very nice multa. And I'm gonna stop here. How to not look like a tourist. Do the opposite of what this lady's doing. Guys, let me tell you something about Venice. Don't use a map. Just go walking. Go off the beaten path. It's not that you're in the desert, okay? Everywhere you go, there's gonna be a coffee place. If you get lost, go inside somewhere, have a cappuccino, have a coffee, have a drink, and restart all over. Some of the best restaurants or coffee shops or little stores I found have always been when I put my phone away, and back then when I used to have a map, put a map away and I just go walking. Alright guys, please remember to like and subscribe down below. It helps us out with this channel. Again, this is Dante, your tour guide here in Italy, always ready to answer any of your questions. I hope you liked the video, and if you look at the descriptions, I put more information, and like everybody else YouTubing are doing, I also put some affiliate links that you can click and I get some commission money. And because I'm just me, I try to sell things that have nothing to do with tourism. So in this video you'll find a link for Preparation H that I found in the affiliate link. So please go there and buy about 27 of them so I can make some money. Enjoy, and again, click subscribe and like. Ciao a tutti, I love you.